How do I prepare a prior year return in IRS online? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you prepare a prior year return in IRS online. So the first thing is that IRS does not provide a specific online platform for preparing and filing prior year tax returns. The IRS focuses on the current tax year and online tools that are generally designed for the current filing session. However, if you need to prepare a prior year tax return, for example, for the tax year 2023 or an earlier year, you may consider using the tax preparation software or working with a tax professional. Here are some general steps to guide you. First of all, select the tax preparation software. Choose a reputable tax preparation software that supports the prior year tax returns. Some popular options include TurboTax, H&R Block, and TaxAct. Make sure that the software you choose explicitly mentions its capability to handle the prior year returns. The next thing you can do is install the tax preparation software on your computer or access it online if it's a web-based platform. And then you can create an account or login if you already have one. Follow the software's instructions for entering your personal information as well. Then choose the tax year for which you need to prepare a return. The software should have an option to select the tax year before starting the filing process. Then after, you can enter your tax information, input all the relevant financial information for the selected tax year, which includes the income, deductions, credits, or any other required details, and verify your entered information carefully to ensure the accuracy. The software should provide prompt checks to help identify any potential errors or missing information. After entering all the necessary information, the software will calculate your refund or tax due for the selected tax year. Follow the software's instruction to either file your return electronically if the software supports e-filing for the prior years, or save the complete return for printing and mailing. If the e-filing is not an option for the selected tax year, print the completed tax return and any required forms. Mail the documents to the IRS address specified in the tax instructions for that year. And always check the specific capacities of the tax preparation software you choose. Additionally, it's essential to use software or resources that are up to date with the tax laws and requirements for the specific year you are filing. If you have a complete tax situation or uncertainties, consider seeking guidance from a tax professional. So this is basically how you can prepare a prior year return in IRS online. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.